Hello again everyone. Today I received a package that I've been expecting for a couple of days, but before I open that I just wanted to give you a quick update on the Botanical Bonsai. I'll bring this into some light and hopefully you can see that the pine and the red bud are all coming up. The red bud there has a nice shoot come out, nice and long, and then in front of it there's a new little sprout coming out. There's the two pines at the front that have been developing for a short while, and then at the back you can probably just see there are two more pines breaking free. So that's a quick update on the Botanical Bonsai. The rest of the Botanical Bonsai kit is in the fridge undergoing stratification. So what we may end up doing is lifting some of these out and getting them into the grow tent or something like that, just to make sure they have the best chance of carrying on. Or I may just put the whole box into the grow tent, the stadium as they call it. And hopefully it'll encourage these little pines to thrive. A nice little red bud coming up through there. While they're growing, we want them to do well. So the reason for the quick update, this little package that arrived today . Is a pencil cactus cutting. Let it breathe. Bring it out to some fresh air. We'll get this into some water for a little while. I'll probably put it into the tent to give it some nice daylight. It's not seen much light for a little while, but we'll put it in to the tent in a bit of water and then into some soil, and hopefully it will carry on growing. So thank you, Jered. It's a lovely present. Thank you. Let's fingers crossed its long journey has been made worthwhile. So once again, I'm Scott Winard. This is Let's Do Bonsai. I'll see you soon. The other thing to quickly show you before I go is my daughter's quite nicely let me have possession of her Nikon camera. So rather than using the GoPro, I'll try and get to use the Nikon camera. It's got a little flip out screen. It rotates so that I can see it from the other side. Scarily I'll be able to see myself from now on. And I've bought some memory cards for it, so there's plenty of storage. And I got the mic that clips onto the top like that, and then in the side panels we can pop that out and plug the mic in. So the mic should hopefully improve some of the sound quality of the videos, take away some of the echoiness of them, and obviously pick just myself up nice and clearly, and maybe some of my occasional breathing noises that you get won't be so pronounced. So yeah, we'll give this a good go, and hopefully the videos might be a little bit better. The sound quality should maybe be a little bit better, but the GoPros are designed very well, 4K and all the rest of it, so we will see.